Hello, my name is Eric. I'm here to demonstrate how to change a water filter in a typical LG fridge. The first thing you can do is reset your filter status by holding the filter reset button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll hear a little sound telling you that it's been reset. Just open the door and using a cup or a glass to collect any water with this little dripping hole, you can turn the filter counterclockwise, quarter turn, get a new filter, put it back in, and do the reversed operation. Then, using a pitcher, you can flush out your filter just asking for water and flushing out a few picture of water to really clean the filter and get you on your way. Thank you for watching this video, and look for some upcoming video from LG pretty soon. Thank you.